Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering the code 31815F3D error when trying to complete a purchase on Nike's website or app, you're not alone. This issue typically occurs during checkout and can be frustrating. But don't worry, let's walk you through some easy steps to fix it. 1. Check your payment method. One common cause of the 31815F3D error is issues with the payment method you're using. Solution: make sure the credit/debit card or PayPal account you're using is linked correctly and has valid payment details. Ensure that your card information, including expiry date, CVV, and billing address, is entered correctly. Try using a different payment method, e.g., switch from card to PayPal or vice versa. 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with the checkout process, triggering errors like 31815F3D. Solution: on desktop, go to your browser settings. Clear cache and cookies. Restart the browser and try again. On mobile, close the app and reopen it. Alternatively, uninstall and reinstall the Nike app. 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it might be causing location or payment-related issues during checkout. Solution: disable your VPN or proxy connection and try again. 4. Update Nike app or browser. An outdated Nike app or web browser can cause compatibility issues, resulting in errors. Solution: update Nike app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Nike, and install any available updates. Update browser. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. You can check for updates in your browser's settings. 5. Check for stock availability. Sometimes, this error can happen if an item in your cart is no longer available or there's a stock issue. Solution: double-check the availability of the items in your cart. If you see any issues, remove out-of-stock items from your cart and try again. 6. Use a different device or browser. If you're having trouble on one device, try switching to another one. Solution: if you're using a browser, try switching to another one, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Safari. If you're on mobile, try completing the purchase on a desktop or vice versa. 7. Check Nike's server status. Occasionally, Nike servers may be down or undergoing maintenance, which could trigger errors at checkout. Solution: check Nike's social media channels or use websites like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing similar issues. If Nike is undergoing maintenance, wait a few hours and try again. 8. Contact Nike support. If none of the above solutions work, the issue may be on Nike's end or related to your account. Solution: contact Nike customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and check if there's anything wrong with your account or payment details. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Nike error code 31815F3D and complete your purchase. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.